Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another easy nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. My nail and come in with a light blue gel polish. I'll go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds. Next, and with the help of my very fine brush, I'll go ahead and draw some little hearts using the black polish. Still using the very fine brush, I'll come in with a silver polish and create some stars. I'll come in with some white flowers. I got this from AliExpress. They are quite affordable. Basically, just stick them onto the nails. We all done now. Hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.